Well, all of a sudden, AMC has become the biggest darling of the Reddit investing crowd. And, well, judging from the surges in Google, looks like more folks are interested in the company and its stock. Of course, interest in these stocks have spawned their own community and their own set of heroes, including my next guest, Matt Kohrs. Matt, welcome to the show. And before we start, I want to note that I like that you always make sure to tell people you're not a financial advisor. You're obviously, though, a smart guy. You've been behind this for a long time. You've created a very strong following of these so-called meme stocks. I'm just curious, what sparked your interest in the first place?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for having me on this show. My interest, I've been trading now for about the better part of a decade, and I've just never seen this much of a community behind such like it's just resonating with a lot. So it feels like it's just something a little bit more special than just something playing out in the stock market. I just love the community that has really come from this movement.
You know, you message a lot when I look at your work. It's extremely informative, particularly when it comes to these short positions, and that seems sort of to be the linchpin. How does that influence Reddit investors? You know, a lot of people know there's some new terms, but how have you taken these shorts and turn it against the so-called smart money?
Yeah, so that's exactly right there. That's who we're perceiving in this particular trade to be, I guess, our quote unquote enemy. We want to know the shorts. We want to know the size of the shorts, because at the end of the day, that's what we're looking for, is to prompt a short squeeze. And without getting too far into the technicals, like the short squeeze, the gamma squeeze, FOMO buying, it's just all three of those are major forms of buying power that could all be prompted in the current situation that we're seeing. And at the end of the day, it's all different buying, which could really push the stock sky high.
Yeah, you guys have flipped the script big time. You know, it's interesting. Early in the year, Wall Street went crazy. The financial media hated you. And when these stocks started to settle down, it felt like they thought they were dancing on your graves. And now, more recently, when they talk about this, you always hear the term smart money. The insinuation is that anyone who's buying these stocks right now is the dumb money. How does that make you feel?
Well, I mean, I guess at the end of the day, even if that's our moniker of sorts, if we're being referred to as dumb money, I mean, at the end of the day, at least we're making money. So in this particular scenario, I'm proud to wear that badge, because at the end of the day, my portfolio is higher.
Well, you've been trading for a decade, so you understand traditional valuation metrics, and certainly using them, all of these stocks should be oversold. So how do you justify, you know, there's a diamond hand approach to this, holding them long term? What are you using to say, okay, this is justified holding these names for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, because you can't do it using traditional valuation metrics?
Yeah, I completely agree. So in my personal opinion with this is more of a swing trade to see how this particular short squeeze narrative plays out. I think the discussion for a long-term hold is actually better taking place like when this particular storyline is done, because right now it's a smaller time frame. It's that classic David versus Goliath, retail versus Wall Street, the 99 versus 1. At the end of the day, you love the underdog story. But with that being said, this is not a long-term underdog story. We're doing the fight right now for that swing trade. It's just the dumb money versus the smart money. I'm going to throw both of those in quotes. But to me, this is a swing trade just to see how far we can really, really push this narrative. And for me, I do like AMC long-term, but I would consider that an investment once this particular storyline is complete.
I got you. You know, I want you to know one of the reasons that I love the apes is when I took the test to become a stockbroker, I crushed it. I had no formal classes. I had no help. I was told I was going to fail. So I was walking away from the testing site, and there was a line from a Stevie Wonder song called Overjoyed, and it played over and over again in my head. Here's a line I want to share with you, Matt. And though the odds seem improbable, what do they know? Good luck, Matt. Appreciate you coming on the show. We'll touch base again real soon.
Thank you so much.
All right, folks.